Have you ever seen a cool or interesting story on Instagram that you want to repost? In this guide, I will show you two different ways to repost a story on Instagram. The first way is when someone mentions you in their story. To do this, open your Instagram DMs. You'll see a message that says mentioned you. Open that message, tap on the story and simply hit add to your story. That's it. The story is now reposted to your profile and your followers can see it. But what if you want to repost a story and you are not mentioned? Here is how. Take a screenshot of the story by pressing the volume up plus power button at the same time. This screenshot will be saved to your gallery. Before sharing it, make sure to ask the original creator for the permission to repost. Once they give you the permission, click on the option Your Story. Your gallery will open up. Now select the picture. Then you can share it as your story. And that's it. 2 easy ways to repost a story on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.